What is going on, guys? So I am on my way to a tire change call for a 2007 white GMC Trailblazer. Customer is on the side of the highway, so we're going to get to this customer and get her tire changed and get her back up on the road. So we'll see what we got. This is not good. How's it going? You had better days? Did it just drop on you? Yeah. Hey. It is down. Man. Alright, let's see. Right. Whew. Alright. Let's see. This is gonna be fun. Alright. The what? That's the tire? That's the one he's trying to put on. Alright. Let's see here. Oh, man. Let's see if I could get her raised up. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I wish my finger wasn't messed up. It's almost fully healed. There you go. Yeah, it's trying to slip on me. Let's just raise it up just a little bit more. Or, let me see if I can. Let's see. A little bit more. Shit. Right. So rear-wheel drive. It's alright if I gain access to the driver's seat real quick. Okay. If I can get the door open. That door don't want to open. Door panel is not happy. Come out, there you go. There you go. Let's see here. Yeah. Because now it took my jack. Yeah. Hurt myself. Alright. So. Plan of attack is to get up underneath right there. But I need it raised up even more. So, that being said, I need access down to here. And it took my jack, so use these boards that they had. Get it right there. Right there. Because now that I'm on these boards, it'll kind of slide better. See, now these boards are going to act up. So, what I want to do is, can't get my jack back. This thing is raised up. And I think it's up there good enough. I think it might be high enough. I think it might be high enough. Alright, so no, it needs to go up higher. I believe. A little bit higher. It's about to slip off the boards. Luckily it's high enough. That's nice. There are the lug nuts. I don't know where the lug nuts are. Hey, do you know where the lug nuts are for that tire? Alright. I'm just worried that this thing is going to slip. Hey, it could be in the passenger. No. I don't see it anywhere. I don't have anything. It is hot out here. Or getting hot. I need to fix that later.
Not in the car. Okay, hold on for a minute. He said they're in a box in the back seat. There they are.
Ah,
Cool.
Alright, thank you.
Alright.
Alright, let's get this on. Please don't slip. These wheels are kind of weird. They're the same exact wheels. A good question I have, am I going to be able to get my 3-ton jack stand back? That's good. The 19s. I'm dripping all over the place. Let's see. Let's get her landed. Perfect. Alright. That's successful. Shoot. Completely right. See if we can get my jack stand. Ah, shit. Grab my hammer. There you go. Yeah, that's it. Alright. They're all cleaned up. Get him cleaned up too. Alright. Alright. So, vehicle's good to go. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the back. You're welcome. Yes, ma'am. You want it in the back seat or?
Just throw it in the trunk.
Okay.
Back of the head.
Alright.
This is $14 to buy you lunch.
Alright, appreciate it.
You, Doc.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. You're welcome. Well, you have a great day.
You as well.
Will do. Oh, isn't that? That wasn't super bad, but dang, finished job. Finished. Alright, so that's done. Getting hot. But I got her back up. Well, her grandson back up. I'm gonna try cooling down. It was kind of tricky getting the tire on, but hey, I'm down for any kind of job as much as possible, because no job is a job for me. I love tricky jobs because I love to get, you know, everything situated. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get back to the shop, wait for my next call. Whew. And I'm gonna cool down too. You would think 85 degrees you wouldn't be hot and sweaty, but apparently it is hot. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Whew, watermelons. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And comment down below of your thoughts, opinions, concerns, suggestions. And as always, stay cool out there, stay hydrated. And as always, y'all have a nice day, and God bless.